Well, it's no secret on the Great Lakes, or I guess for me in particular, crawler harnesses are one of my favorite things to use. And across the Great Lakes, they've attested for so many tournament wins. And to me, one of the biggest parts of them is just their versatility. Here I'm either using a 1/2 ounce or a 1 ounce weighting system. I generally prefer lighter weights because they're more speed sensitive. And so I can run the same depth, running 30 feet back or 50 feet back with the same weight depending on my speed. One thing about the Great Lakes, we have zebra mussels, we have moss, we have gobies, everything that's going to basically follow my bait up and take it out of play is going against me if I touch the bottom. So all I have to do if I run into trouble is use my speed on my bow mount to basically speed me up, raise those crawler harnesses up. If it's a hump, I get over top of it, I go fast. As soon as I start going back down the other side, I just continue to slow my speed down and let those baits basically follow their way back down the bottom. Now with using a lighter weight, it's more forgiving. I can speed up, it's gonna come up faster. I can also, if I'm not paying attention and I slow down too much, it's not gonna plummet right down to the bottom. But one thing that's gonna do is when I do slow down is that blade is gonna almost quit spinning and basically flutter its way back down the bottom, which is another trigger. It's no more or any different than using a glide bait or any kind of rip-in bait where you're changing that speed and changing that action of that bait frequently, and that's what triggers bites. Same thing when it comes to trolling.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.